हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू वीडियो ऑफ फार्मा रिसर्चर। इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगा फार्मेसी गेट 2000 ईयर का क्वेश्चन पेपर। तो इस पेपर का जो फॉर्मेट है वो पिछले वाले पेपर की तरह ही सिमिलर है। इसमें भी 25 MCQ क्वेश्चंस हैं एंड 25 मैच द फॉलोइंग वाले क्वेश्चंस हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इस वीडियो को। Starting with the first question, one of the substances listed is used as mucoadhesive. So correct answer is option A, acacia. Next question, in the preparation of multi-layer tablets, one of the substances listed is used for hydrophilic matrix coating. So the correct answer is option A, CMC. Next question, choose the correct pH of the lacrimal fluid. So the correct answer is option C, 7.4. Next question is, the dip tube in an aerosol container is made from one of the following. Choose. So the correct answer is option A, polypropylene. Next question is, the diameter of the mesh aperture in the IP disintegration test apparatus is given below. Choose the correct one. So the correct answer is option A, that is 2 mm. Next question is, choose the correct source of radiation for NMR from the listed ones. So the correct answer for this question is option C, radio frequency oscillator. Next question is, choose the correct semi-rigid gel used for exclusion chromatography. So the correct answer is option A, Cifadex. Next question, one of the following is measured in amperometric titration. So the answer for this question is option D, that is current. Next question is, the oil obtained from Symbopogon flexuosus contains one of the following. So the correct answer is option A, that is citral. Next question, choose the correct key intermediate for the biosynthesis of C6C3 units which serves as a precursor for the biosynthesis of amino acid. The correct answer for this question is option A, that is shikimic acid. Next question is, beta-phenyl N-alkyl piperidine moiety is largely responsible for activity in one of the following. Choose the correct one. So the correct answer for this is option B, that is pethidine. Next question is, which one of the following is a histamine H1 receptor antagonist? So the correct answer is option C, that is 4,5-H-dibenzo-AD, cycloheptene 5, iodine 1-methyl piperidine hydrochloride. Next question is, dienoestrol is synthesized from. So the correct answer is option A, that is 4-hydroxypropiophenone. Next question is, one of the following diuretics has similar structure as that of antihypertensive agent diazoxide. So the correct answer for this question is option B, chlorothiazide. Next question is, which one of the following is an antifungal polyene macrolide antibiotic with 7 conjugated double bonds, an internal ester, a free carboxyl glycoside side chain with primary amino group? So the correct answer for this question is option D, amphotericin B. Next question is, choose the correct class for antiarrhythmic, and that is primarily indicated for the treatment of supraventricular tachyarrhythmias. So the correct answer for this question is option B, diltiazem. Next question is, one of the following antiviral agents exhibit the greatest selective toxicity for the invading virus? So the correct answer for this question is option D, acyclovir. Next question is, choose the drug that often causes tachycardia when given in regular dose. So the correct answer is option D, isosorvide dinitrate. Next question is, choose one appropriate therapeutic use for imipramine. So the correct answer is option C, bedwetting in children. Next question, the following prescription is given to the pharmacist by the physician to dispense. So the prescription is Rx calciferol solution is 0.3 ml and water to quantity sufficient is 5 ml. Send 25 ml. Now the final dosage form of this prescription will be, so the correct answer for this question is option C, emulsion. Next question is, purpose of a combined drug regimen in tuberculosis is to, so the correct answer is option A, delay the emergence of drug. Next question is, the RW coefficient test is used to evaluate, so the correct answer is option D, bactericidal activity. Next question is, diclofenac tablet coated with cellulose acetate phthalate has been administered to a patient. Where do you accept the drug to be released? So the correct answer for this question is option C, that is small intestine. Next question is, a microscopic examination of a culture isolate revealed spherical bodies with a smooth outline growing in long chains. Identify the microorganism. So the correct answer for this question is option B, Streptococcus pyogenes. Next question is, an original license or renewed license to sell drugs remains valid up to, so the correct answer is option D, 31st of December of the following year in which it is granted or renewed. ओके सो अभी जो क्वेश्चन है 25 क्वेश्चंस वो मैच द फॉलोइंग वाले हैं, तो अभी उनको, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, taste sensations of some liquid oral formulations are given, match the compatible flavor used in the formulation. So in this, for the first option, for the salt, the correct answer is option D, that is chocolate, and for the second option, that is sour, the correct answer is citrus. Now next question is, excipient used in parenteral products are given, match them. So first option is chelating agent. For this, the correct answer is disodium adentate. And for the second option, that is local anesthetic, the correct option is option A, benzyl alcohol. Next question is, HLV values are given, match them with correct surfactant. So for the first option, that is 0 to 3, the correct answer is option C, that is N. And for the second option, that is 4 to 6, the correct answer is option D, that is what? Emulsions. Now next question is, given below are the type of excipients, match them with the examples. So for the first option, that is disintegrant, the correct answer for this question is option D, that is acacia. And for the second option, that is glidant, the correct answer is option A, that is talc. Next question, listed below are the schedules or to the Drug and Cosmetic Act, match them. For the first option, that is Schedule M, the correct answer is option C, that is the requirement of factory premises. And for the next question, that is Schedule O, the correct answer is option A, that is standards for disinfectant fluids. So next question is, the following receptors are associated with drugs mentioned, match them. The first option is H1 receptor, and for this the correct answer is option C, that is diphenhydramine. And for the next option, that is 5-HT3 receptor, the correct answer is option D, that is ondansetron. Next question, match the following drugs with their receptor subtypes. First one is methadone. So for this, the correct answer is option C, that is agonist of mu receptor. And for the second option, that is enkephalins, the correct answer is option A, that is agonist of mu and delta receptors. Yes. So next question is match the drugs with their mechanism of action. So for the first drug, that is mebendazole, the correct answer is option D, that is selectively inhibits microtubule synthesis in nematodes. And for the next option, that is ivermectin, answer for this question is option C, that is intensifies GABA mediated neurotransmission in nematodes and cause immobilization of parasites. Next question is match the following drugs with their mechanism of action. First option is procainamide. So for this, the correct answer is option C, that is it blocks sodium channels. And for the next option, that is verapamil, the correct answer is option A, that is it channel. Next question is the metabolic reactions of drugs mentioned in A to D are given. Match them. So for the first option, that is nitroreduction, the correct answer is option C, chloramphenicol. And for the second option, that is deamidation, the correct answer is option D, that is lidocaine. Next question is drugs given below have the characteristics mentioned in A to D. Match them. So for the first option, that is ibuprofen, the correct answer is option A, that is an aryl acetic acid. For the second option, that is acetaminophen, the correct answer is option D, hydrolyzed in the bloodstream. Next question is the systematic names of the following drugs are given. Match them. So for the first drug, that is tinidazole, the correct answer is option B, that is 1,2-ethyl sulfonyl ethyl 2-methyl 5-nitroimidazole. And the second drug is flufenazide decanoate. So for this, the correct answer is option D, that is 2,4,3,2 trifluoromethyl phenothiazine 10-yl propyl piperazine 1-yl ethanol. So next question is match the heterocyclic system with the drugs. First is aziridine. For this, the correct answer is option A, that is thiotepa. And for the second drug, that is pteridine, the correct answer is option D, that is methotrexate. Next question, techniques mentioned in A to D used for the analysis of the following drugs. For the first option, that is sulfamethoxazole IP, the correct answer is option D, that is dead stop endpoint. And for the second option, that is piroxicam IP, the correct answer is option B, that is HPLC. Next question is match the correct formula for first is molar absorption coefficient. The correct answer for this is option B, A upon CI. Second is frequency, and the correct answer for this is option D, Cy lambda. Next question is match the values given with that of 1 and 2. For the first option, that is potential of standard hydrogen electrode taken as, so the correct answer is option A, that is 0. And for the second option, that is base peak in mass spectra, the correct answer is option B, that is 100. Next question, in different samples of adulterated Atropa belladonna leaves, following unique characters are noted. match with adult trends. First is idioblast observed. For this, the correct answer is option C, Elanthus glandulosa. And for the second option, that is lamina is denser needle-shaped crystal, anomocytic stomata, palisade ratio 2:4. So for this, the correct answer is option B, that is Phytolacca americana. Next question is digitalis cardenolides mentioned below are different hydroxyl derivatives. Match them. First is gitoxyxanine. So for this, the correct answer is option C, that is 3 beta 14 beta 16 beta trihydroxycardenolide. And the second option is disoxyxanine. So for this, the correct answer is option A, that is 3 beta 12 beta 14 beta trihydroxycardenolide. And then the next question is match the following vitamins with their biochemical roles. So for the first option, that is riboflavin, the correct answer is option B, that is as a coenzyme in redox reaction. Then second is pyridoxal. So for this, the correct answer is option D, that is as a coenzyme for amino acid decarboxylases. So next question is match the diseases with their clinical test. For the first option, that is diabetes mellitus, the correct answer is increase in blood sugar levels. And for the second option, that is cystic fibrosis, the correct answer is option C, that is DNA diagnosis. Now coming to next question, that is match the correct pathways of the following. Option 1 is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, and for this the correct answer is option C, glycolysis. And for the second option, that is arachidonic acid, the correct answer is option D, that is prostaglandin synthesis pathway. Now next question is match the following terms with the definitions given. So for the first option, that is biological half-life, the correct answer is option C, that is the elimination of the drug to 50% of its original concentration. And the next option is therapeutic index, and for this the correct answer is option A, that is ratio lethal dose effective dose. So next question is given below are two vaccines, their compositions are mentioned, match them. First one is BCG vaccine. So for this the correct answer is option A, that is the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. And for the second option, that is whooping cough, the correct answer is option D, that is killed Bordetella pertussis bacteria. Then the next question is match the following diseases with their causative organisms. So for the first option, that is helminthiasis, the correct answer is option B, that is Taenia solium. And for the second option, that is jaundice, the correct answer is option C, that is hepatitis A virus. Now coming to the last question of today, that is given below are the schedules as per D&C Act 1940, match them with the information to be given in the table. So for the first option, that is schedule H, the correct answer is option D, that is to be sold by retail on the prescription of RMP only. And for the second option, that is schedule D, the correct answer is option C, that is caution, it is dangerous to take this preparation except under medical supervision. So this is all for today. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में जिसमें मैं डिस्कस करूँगा फार्मेसी गेट 2001 का क्वेश्चन पेपर. So thank you.